What's up, everyone? My name is Kwan, and I'm currently an upcoming fourth-year animal biology major at UC Davis with minors in both public health and wildlife, fish, and conservation biology. My summer immersion program experience was with Dr. Roselle Bush in developing a social media plan for a project involving the effects of integrated crop livestock systems on soil health and food safety. I was initially drawn to the project just because of its interdisciplinarity and how it approached research with a One Health perspective. If you aren't already familiar with what One Health is, it is a collaborative approach to health with three interconnected parts, that being human health, animal health, and environmental health. In my junior year, I had the privilege of being able to take a class that introduced the concept of One Health, and I was especially drawn to its ability to apply an understanding of animal health onto other facets of health. Although my interests are somewhat unrelated to food safety and agriculture, as I personally want to find ways to merge my interests in wildlife and zoo medicine with pathology, science communication was another part of the project that really drew me in. Having grown up in New York City, some of my earliest memories were at the Wildlife Conservation Society parks, 4 zoos and an aquarium that are scattered across the city. Science communication at institutions like these inspired me to pursue a career in veterinary medicine, and I extended this interest as a volunteer at one of these parks throughout high school. Being able to then reapply science communication in a new experience with a new audience such as this one was very intriguing to me, and I just wanted to take on the challenge. Throughout the summer, I've been able to go out to field sites, interview PIs and lab members of all these moving parts, and brainstorm ideas for the social media campaign that I will be continuing to plan out during the school year. The summer really just subverted my expectations on what interdisciplinary research actually entails, since the project is made up of PIs and research labs that work in what I would consider to be drastically different fields. It was also really unique just to be involved with research from this perspective, where instead of being involved in the technical aspects of research, where I'm collecting samples and performing analyses on things, I'm instead able to delve deeper into the people involved with the research and really just get to know the motivations of everyone involved. It has been incredibly inspiring just to see the genuine love and passion that I've seen across every single PI, every single lab member, across every single discipline in this project. And I'm really excited just to see where this project goes, as it has great potential to change how we approach agriculture within the realm of One Health. I feel incredibly honored to have been able to be a part of this project. So thank you to the Global Health Institute for making this happen, and I'm incredibly excited to see what the future holds. Thank you.